Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone alarm not going off. When you set an alarm on an iPhone, you expect it to work, and if it doesn't, it's a major problem. You may thought, does focus mode or do not disturb silence alarm? No, do not disturb doesn't silence your iPhone alarm. So if that's not the problem, let's find out what is. We will go over why your alarm sound is not going off and how to get your alarms working again. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first thing to check when your iPhone alarm is not going off is the volume on your iPhone. This is because the alarm volume matches the overall volume set on your iPhone. To check this, open the control center and then swipe up the volume slider to raise the volume on your iPhone. And you can also press the volume up button on your iPhone to increase the volume alarm. If the volume levels still are not loud enough for you, it's possible to boost the volume on your iPhone. And the next step is make sure the alarm is accurate. It's possible that your iPhone alarm is not going off because you have set it wrong. I know this sounds obvious, but it's a mistake a lot of us make. For this, open the clock app, tap the alarm at the bottom of the screen and make sure that you have set the correct time for each alarm, including AM or PM, and that the alarms are toggled on. And you are done. And also you can tap each individual alarm and then tap on repeat. You can decide how often you want the alarm to repeat so you don't miss any days or get unnecessary alarm. And you are done. And the next step is reboot iPhone. Turn it off and turn it on again. But really, when you reboot an iPhone, it can fix unresponsiveness and glitches on your iPhone and iPad. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off. Next, wait for some time and press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is iOS update. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available. Then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is delete iPhone sleep schedule. Apple's sleep reminder and tracking feature can interfere with the alarm sound, especially if it's set to the same time as your iPhone alarm. You can find your sleep settings in the Health app. For this, going to the Health app, scroll down and then tap on sleep. Scroll down and then tap on edit under your schedule. Scroll down to the bottom. From here, you can reset to schedule. And you are done. And the next step is restore to factory settings. This is a drastic step to take, and it's last thing you should try if your iPhone alarms still are not working. When you restore an iPhone to factory settings, all your data and settings are deleted. This can get rid of glitches, but you will have to back up your iPhone to iCloud first so you don't lose your data. After you have done this, you can restore your iPhone from your iCloud backup. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on erase all content and settings. Next, tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone and then enter your password and erase your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone alarm not going off, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.